everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we will be learning how to find recently watched videos on Facebook. First step is to open your Facebook app. Make sure you are logged in with your account. After that, click on your profile located at the top right corner of the page. Now go to settings and privacy, click on settings. Scroll down and find activity log. It's usually under your information. Here under these blue boxes you will find videos watched. Click on it and it will show you all the videos that you have watched till today. Now another method you can do is go to your profile and click on your profile. After that you will see this option, three dots under your profile. You just need to go to activity log and click on video watched as well. So this will show you all the watched history from your account. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.